Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Leo Chen of Levitate Style. In this video, I got a special treat. I got the off-white Jordan 5s. Before we get into this video, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at Levitate Style. I post daily men's fashion and travel content there, so follow along. And speaking of Instagram, if you guys were following me along, you guys would know that I was in Chicago for the NBA All-Star Weekend. And it was honestly the best weekend of my life. It was just so incredible. All thanks to Mountain Dew for having me out there. But let's get back on track. Another reason why it was so awesome was because I actually hit on the sneakers app. I actually got my first ever win on the app on the off-white Jordan 5. I got them on, I think, Friday. So yeah, I was able to pick them up on Sunday in Chicago. I was super excited. So I shot some B-roll of the shoes, of the unboxing with clips from the hotel. And I gotta tell you, being in Chicago and getting the shoes there and also having a lot of events that I was attending, I had to wear them. I mean, I got them and they just look so cool. I had to bring them out. So here it is. Here's the box. The box is really cool and interesting. It's got these like huge punch hole design throughout the box, similar to the shoe design on the 5s. And you can also see through. And then when you open it, it's really cool. It's got this like off-white plastic paper with the big Jumpman logo. Another new difference in the packaging. Here it is, the off-white Jordan 5 out of the box. I did wear them once already in Chicago for All-Star Weekend, but it's just a beautiful, beautiful shoes. I think it's very interesting, very cool, different from the other off-white Jordans, and it's nice paying retail for them. It feels really nice. I now have to pay resale. I think they're going for like anything from $850 to $1,000 right now. The Jordan 5, another classic Jordan model. And now Virgil has had a lot of fun with this. Of course, on the outside, you have this like really interesting material, this like gray metallic netting kind of material. This is similar to like the kind of material that was like in the Jordan 1, but that's like the entire shoe. I think it's actually like a little bit lighter than what I expected, but to me, they're really comfortable. So there's a lot of cushioning throughout the shoes. It's like thinner than the original ones as well. And I actually really like the inside. Like the padding is actually really comfortable to me. I had no problem breaking them in. They felt comfortable right away. And they are a little bit wider for my feet. So I'm usually like 10 and a half, 11. And these feel really nice. Overall, it's a gray color pair of shoes with these black colors to match. You got 23 on the side here, Nike Air on the back. And throughout the shoes, you have these little like see-through holes here. And Virgil actually cut them out. So if you're up for that, you can definitely do that. But I think I'm gonna keep them like this for a while. Overall, you got these like transparent parts throughout the shoes. So depending on the color of the socks you're wearing, you can really see them and you can like play around with that style and the colors to match the shoes. Another major thing is the classic Jordan 5 tongue here. He did another hole punch up here at the top. And then of course you got the signature off-white shoelaces. The black zip tie is really nice. I actually really like this black zip tie. And it says off-white Nike 2020. And on the inside here, of course, you got the classic off-white Nike branding on the side. And then of course you got the classic lace lock that comes with the Jordan 5. Another interesting part he did with the shoe is the yellow sole. This is something that people hate about the Jordan 5, that like when you get it, it's so fresh and icy normally. And then as you wear them, they turn into this like piss yellow, as they call it. But right away, right off the bat, he already made them yellow. So to me, it's kind of like, well, if it already kind of look like it's this like old school worn in look, I can wear them. I can wear them without feeling like it's gonna look beat up. It already kind of has this like look to it. But all in all, it's a really cool pair of shoes. I mean, it's just so cool to be able to get them for retail instead of paying the crazy resale price. And I want to do a quick comparison with the Jordan 5. So here it is. Here's a quick comparison with the Paris Jordan 5 here. I got these two pairs side by side right here for you guys to check it out really quick. So as you can see, this is the Paris edition, which is pretty similar to the classic metallic 5. I gotta say, they feel a little bit heavier, and I think it's because of like the suede leather that they use on the sneaker here. But you can see just what a big difference the two pair of sneakers look with the material, with the colors. For the bottom, this is a really good comparison. This I've only worn maybe like a few times, And you can see this is the clear sole, the icy sole, and this already comes yellow like this. So this is a cool comparison between the two. For me, the Classic 5, the leather material is a little bit tighter for the foot for me. I think it's just more sturdier. This one is a little bit more flexible, this material. So right away when I was wearing them, they felt really comfortable. Also, I think the Off-White 5s here, they're more slimmer and more stylish in that way. The Classic 5s have these like bulging things coming out around the ankle, and it's just a lot of padding. Whereas on this one, you can see this is where he put the holes instead, and the padding is pretty minimal. Like it's just kind of this inside sock liner feel to it. All in all, I really love this colorway. I mean, black and gray is super easy to match and style. I think I will end up putting on white laces on them. That's how Virgil has been wearing them. And I think white laces will lighten up the color of the shoe and make it pop even more. I think that's gonna look really, really nice going into the spring and summer season. Here are the two shoelaces that it also comes with, the white and the red. The white lace is gonna lighten up the sneaker even more for the spring and summer season. Also, the red laces look really nice on the sneaker as well. I think red laces, this might be the first pair of Off-White Nike red laces. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, I'm not sure. I think it looks really nice, but the thing is we already have a lot of Jordans with red in it. So I might just keep these black, white, and gray and match the style like that. All right, now the moment you guys have been waiting for, some Taylor hype outfits. On this channel, I'm gonna show you guys some Taylor pieces that goes with these hype sneakers. Very much like an NBA style as well. So I'm gonna show you guys 4 outfits now, breaking down each one and how you can wear these in style. All right, for look number 1, this is actually the exact outfit I wore in Chicago during All-Star Weekend to a style brunch by Lance Fresh. Now for this outfit, the main piece is my top coat. This is a checkered top coat by Theory. What I love about this one is it's black and white. It's pretty simple, but yeah, it's really bold in the pattern and it matches the sneaker perfectly. I think I'm just playing off the pattern on the sneaker. The pattern on the sneaker has this like interesting netting, kind of reminds me of checkered boxes. So I'm playing off those colors with this coat. Another big part of this outfit is my scarf. Now my scarf is like a statement piece as well. And if you guys are following NBA style, you know recently Serge Ibaka has been talking about scarves and fashion. I just want to have a little bit fun with that NBA style talk right now and wear this off-white scarf. And it kind of goes brand to brand because I'm wearing an off-white scarf with the off-white sneaker. For the pants, I'm wearing these Husson Jeans worker pants. So I love that they're a little bit looser, but they can taper down by the ankle. So really let the shoe show off on its own so you're not like blocking off the design. All in all, this is a really nice Taylor hype outfit, you know, the top coat going with the sneakers. For look number 2, I'm going with this jacket by D Square. I picked this jacket because one, it's a really sharp jacket here. I love the colors on this guy. The quality is really good, but I picked the beige color specifically to match with the yellow sole. I just think like that's kind of unexpected, but you can have a lot of fun with that. The yellow sole is gonna be pretty obvious. I think like on the netting and on the bottom, and also like the lace lock has a little bit tint of these yellow. So you can definitely match the yellow with a beige color. And of course the black leather sleeves is a really nice luxury design that matches with the sneaker. For the bottom, I'm going with my go-to ripped jeans. These are from John Elliott. These are definitely my favorite. You're probably seeing these a lot on the channel, but I love that they're this faded black, a little bit ripped, but it really, really slims down and tapered at the angle to show off the sneaker properly. All right, look number 3, I'm going with this plaid jacket. Again, I'm playing with this pattern off the shoes, and I want to match with the gray and the black colors. And plaid, this is like one of my favorite patterns in menswear. I think breaking out a piece like this that has this like menswear touch, a Taylor piece, is gonna go really, really sharp with the sneakers. This plaid jacket I actually got from H&M last season, and it was only like 60 bucks. This is a really, really nice pickup, and I think I love styling jackets like this to go with hype sneakers here. For the bottom, I am going again with those Husson jeans in this like off-white color. So the jacket's pretty fitted. So I want the pants to have a little bit room, a little bit loose, have a little bit like a proportion in the outfit. Not everything has to be super tight or not everything has to be baggy. So in this case, the jacket is nicely fitted and I'm going with these pants that's a little bit more loose, but the key here is to taper down at the angle so that shows off the sneaker correctly. Another option, really quick switch up here, you can also pair this with a denim jacket. Now, denim jacket is gonna be perfect for the spring and summer season. A little bit lighter, more rugged, but still really nice and sharp. This one here is a gray denim jacket by the Kupos. And what I love is the little design, a little bit faded colors throughout the jacket. And that really matches well with the sneakers. Last but not least, look number 4, you already know. New York City, all black everything. All black outfit, of course. So it's a classic outfit. I gotta pull it out for you guys every time. It's the black leather jacket. This leather jacket here is from Coach. It is my go-to jacket. I mean, it's one of my favorites, so definitely invest in a leather jacket if you can. This here, I have some pins on it as well. So for me, like, pins is a really cool way to show some personality. And of course, I have some like gold colors on the pins to go with the sneaker as well. So for the bottom, I'm going back to the black ripped jeans. So black t-shirt, black jeans, black leather jacket. That's one of my favorite go-to outfits in New York City. It's so easy. It becomes like a uniform almost. I just wake up, I can wear this, and I'm ready to go. And now the main part, of course, is showing off the sneaker at the bottom. Another style upgrade in this case is a Barbour jacket. Now this is a very menswear piece. I think like most people in the menswear world knows about this one. This is the classic Barbour like field jacket here. And what I love about this is it has all these colors to match the shoes. You got the black, you got these like nice gold buttons throughout. You got the yellow logo, and you got like this gray color on the collar to match the sneaker. I think this is really sharp and like very unexpected in the streetwear world. Even in just like fashion in general, not a lot of people pull this out. And I think like this will look really dope with the off-white. This Barbour International jacket also comes with this classic belt, which kind of reminds me of like the zip tie on the shoe. Now, of course, just having fun with this outfit and at the same time still looking sharp and tailored with your hype sneaker. All right, that's 4 outfits for you guys and a quick unboxing review of the off-white Jordan 5. I'm super happy about this. I mean, this is definitely one of my top all-time pickups. And thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know which one of the outfits you guys like the most. Please subscribe if you guys haven't already. Thank you guys for watching.